internet fighting is pointless. I get that. You know, it's the internet. Alright, but here's the deal. I think there's actually some people that believe in this bullshit, which cracks me up. Because out of everybody posting at it, I can't believe that they're all trolling. They can't be. There has to be some morons out there that actually believe it. So I did about a minute of research and found where the shit came from. It's something called, I guess it was a movie, I guess called Red State, right? And I know my speakers aren't that loud on this, but we're gonna give it a shot.
What the fuck was that?
Now, obviously the sounds continue. Yeah, it's a big scene in this movie, I guess. I guess it's something about angels trumpeting or something. Okay, so let's pause that. All right, I'm gonna link that, and I'm also going to link somebody else who I guess had more time on his hands than I did, because I'm bored out of my skull, and that's why I'm doing this. And also because YouTube won't let me post links to other YouTube videos in a response, which is very fucking weird. So I'm gonna link that, and I'm also gonna link this video that this guy did that explains it, you know, a million times better than I could. Okay, all of you morons that think this shit is real, you're idiots. Seriously, rant over.